Are you playing with fire again, Chuck? Smoking in the boys' room. Dun, 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 dun. Everybody in town. Ooh, trim pieces.
You know what? It's not windy. I don't know if you noticed that. You like my perfume? That's attractive, yes.
Flavorful.
That's eau de burnout.
Yes. The official cologne of John Force.
Certainly brings back memories from some.
Bleach burnouts. Remember those?
Yes,
I raise you with tiki torch fuel on fire.
that's what we were.
Oh,
It's cool.
that's got to be excellent.
Back to the Future.
Any luck?
How's it over here?
Yeah. Now this should come out now. It doesn't come out.
It doesn't want to come out. Maybe let's just leave it there.
Okay. But this doesn't move.
Right.
There it goes.
Wait a second.
Wait.
It clips in, yeah. So wait.
No,
There, like, there's a little. It was right in there, and on that side,
this
and
is
then
Allie's gonna get that one where she's at.
where is it?
right here.
It's on.
But now we could push it in from the bottom. Push it in from the bottom.
From the bottom?
You push it in from the push the bottom in. Push the bottom in.
Stuck right there. Yeah. It's stuck on that little piece. It's actually from the top. See it right there? And then on the side, because it's thin.
Okay.
Yeah. Ready?
Oh, you're right there.
We just go for it. Ready? It's thin. What is this? Where my finger, what is that right there?
It doesn't feel like a knife. It feels like it's either nothing or a rivet or something. I bet it's a rivet. Oh, it's not.
Oh, you know what it is? I see it now.
Okay.
Actually, I should have brought my head lamp.
Yeah.
I think. Or you can't see it. But you see that? It's that guy right there. He's
Holding it.
Do you see it?
Really? Oh, there's definitely a nut back there.
Yeah, there is a nut.
Oh, okay.
Did you have a nut at all?
Yeah.
Peter?
The bottom is binding. Maybe on the bottom. That could look.
I know, that's the thing. Like, and it's
Is there a nut?
yeah, it is really nasty.
There's a nut on it?
There's a nut, yeah.
Let me get a rag or
Maybe it was
something.
damaged and they screwed it on.
To be
Yeah,
continued.
it's one of those
Dun,
square
dun, dun.
nuts. Just like,
Like, look at this side. I don't think it has to come off.
Okay, so this.
oh, I see. Yeah, we don't need it.
All right, so look, here we go with the bottom.
It's clipped on, it's just pushed in.
Yeah, but why is it?
I
What
think-
is it?
I think you need to just grab it. Let me see.
It's like stuck on something.
Honestly,
I
mine
think
came
it's time
off.
for some
Mine
digging
came off
before
because
you-
I didn't try it by accident.
You have a screwdriver? Like a flathead?
Yeah.
I might use a bend.
Here you go. Got it.
I think if you put the screwdriver in here, you can push it out.
it's bent on the top a little bit and it didn't come up just at the top. Because the bottom is free.
No, it's a clip like this. I
Right.
think.
But see right there? It's getting,
It's like,
see it? Oh, you know what it is?
is it a rivet?
And it's broken. Feel it, Bobby. Feel underneath there.
I just bent that a little bit though.
Oh, yeah.
Like once you get your finger on, I kind of bent that down.
So how do we get it out?
Look, yeah, it should be bolted in. Nothing else is bolted in.
Huh.
Shit.
And like you can't even cut that. Like I don't know.
It's there. Oh, I see it.
Is that for the broadcast?
You're kind of
It's
bending
a
it
tab.
little bit.
Yeah, if
It's
you
like a
bend
tab.
that down, it'll pop it.
Can you reach it?
He's got it, yeah.
Oh, he does? Okay, good.